it went into SOS mode, and then I think water got into it. But I was told that my phone screen needs to be replaced, so I just need a new phone screen.
Okay, I mean, if water got into it, that makes it so it's unpredictable. 100%. This is 1,000%.
Can we try a new phone screen?
No, 1,000% you need a water, but water damage, there's no warranty on the phone.
Yeah, I was told that. But I'm gonna try the phone screen. If that works, then I'll just pay for a new phone screen. And
if it stops working, though, the phone, it could
I'm
be.
Get a new phone. Yeah,
exactly.
Yeah. Right now, I'm not able to foresee that, so I'm just gonna focus on getting my.
No worries. Yeah.
And I'm really attached to the phone. I have so much. I mean, obviously, I'm sure I can move everything on the phone to another phone. But
so there's different qualities. Okay, this doesn't work, but let me just show you. There's different quality screens. Okay. This one is, let me see here, 11 Pro Max, 159. This is usually what I recommend. This is like the Apple. Apple's much more. It's like 2 something. Okay. Like near 300.
I called one of your places. They said 110.
110. Okay, probably this one.
Okay.
This one.
So what's the difference between the quality? I'm gonna go
when you're swiping.
Let's just try 110. Let's try the 110.
I have to see if I have that. Let me see.
I hope so, because I've been paying cabs to go from place to place. So I'm just trying to figure out how to get my phone fixed.
Yeah, the Pro Max, I only have the better one. I can have the other one by tomorrow.
Well, let's just go. I definitely got to go ahead and get it fixed now. So let's go with the better one then. Well,
okay.
You got the 150, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because I spoke to another place. You probably know the Seattle device.
I recommend for someone like that to get a protection plan, you know? That way when it does break, it's not like much. You only pay $29. For iPhone users, you only pay $29. Every time you break your screen, you can just get it fixed here.
For $29?
Only $29. The monthly is only $5. Right here. It's the best thing on the market right now. Really good. Yeah. And let's say there's even, if you lose your phone, if water gets in your phone, there's also a good plan for a family that covers your phone and 25 electronics. Yeah, really good plans. Because now that, the tariffs, right, are affecting us, probably. So the phones are more expensive now, New phones, at least. So people want to hold on to their phones. Oh yes, how is... And you should see the receipt, email.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then you're good.
Thank you.
Of course. Here's the warranty right there, on the wall. It's in the receipt also. Okay. I guess if you have any issues, let me know. But this phone, if it has another issue, it might not be worth it.
I know. I'm going to go to the phone store today.
Yeah. But at least it works now. So,
yes. Thank you.
Of course.